I'm married into a very, very patriarchal setup. गाँव में घूंघट पहनते हैं हमारे घर पे. And I've done it all. And their be all and end all seems to be family, keeping the husband happy. As if he can't be happy on his own without any help. He's an adult, for heaven's sake. Males never grow up. It's only the females who grow up in our films. As women, we were never considered important enough to even bother about washrooms. I remember Madhuri Dixit had told me this the first time when we met, during Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, that listen, चादर के पीछे जाएंगे, दुपट्टे के पीछे जाएंगे, करेंगे, that's all very well. But drink water, because normally what used to happen was none of us used to drink water so that we could just avoid going to the loo. Look at the example of Rakhi ji and Amitabh ji. Mr. Bachchan was playing her romantic lead, and then she played his mother also. Can you believe it?
Hello Renuka ma'am, thank you so much for being a part of Hot Talk and having a conversation with us.
Thank you for having me.
So, do you think if as a society we were living in a matriarchal setup, it would have been better? And like how?
I was practically living in a kind of setup like that because we were living with my nani actually. So my nani, my mother and I, we were like three generations, yeah. So, I've always been surrounded by extremely strong women, extremely intelligent and talented women, beautiful women. They were not getting their validation from what other people were saying. They were really very, very comfortable with their own self. And I think those are the values that she has passed on to me. Though I'm married into a very, very patriarchal setup, actually, my husband, and it's a joint family, and it's very much like a Hum Aapke Hain Kaun kind of family, where गाँव में घूंघट पहनते हैं हमारे घर पे, literally. Yeah, and I've done it all. So it's something that my mother would never have done. But I have done it because I feel that, okay, I love my husband a lot, and this is the way his family exists. So I would like to make them also feel as if I'm not somebody who's alien to their culture. I want to be part of them. Yeah. So that's a decision that I've taken. I know that, just by doing these things, I'm not becoming a doormat or anything, or I'm not, my identity is not consumed by my marital family,
You were also like quite vocal during the Me Too movement that took place. Yeah. And Alok Nath's name also came out in that, and you have been you had worked with him. Yeah. So what was your stance like during that time?
I knew about this, as I had mentioned, because at the time when I was working with Alok Nath, I actually didn't know about it. It was much later, after I had finished Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I had finished my imtihan with him, that I got to know about this. And at that time it was not a collective movement where everybody was supportive of each other. So they were like stray incidents, and they used to come to our ears, and we would say, oh my God, it was unbelievable for me because he was one of my best co-stars, to tell you frankly. I mean, it's obviously something that suddenly changes after maybe a few drinks or what, I don't know, because I've never encountered that. But I have had the best possible time working with Alok Nath. He was a wonderful co-actor to have. So it is so disconcerting to get to know this, but then somewhere you have to take a stand.
So what do you think about the projection of family and mothers of women? It has been in our Bollywood films.
Their be all and end all seems to be family, keeping the husband happy. As if he can't be happy on his own without any help. I mean, it's ridiculous. He's an adult, for heaven's sake. They fail. And it's okay.
They're human.
They fail, yeah.
Yeah. Usually we see there is one simple character line of a woman who plays the role of a mother कि ये माँ है.
Yeah.
बस ये सब अपने बच्चों का ध्यान रखेंगी.
ध्यान रखें, the warmth and everything, that is the powerful sort of emotion that is associated with mothers. But intellect is never associated. Her talent is never associated with being a mother. I mean, I'm fallible. I make a lot of mistakes.
So till what age do you think that women in our Bollywood industry can play the role of a lead young female actress in comparison to the male counterpart? that we
I
have.
always say that males never grow up. It's only the females who grow up in our films. So, in terms of age, like our heroes can be 55 and yet romance a 20, 22-year-old, new actor. But the females, when they are doing that, it's like a rare thing, a rare occasion where that is shown.
Yeah.
And same age, like, I mean, I'm the same age as my husband, and we are a couple, and we are, but that kind of is never shown. Look at the example of Rakhi ji and Amitabh ji.
Yeah.
Mr. Bachchan was playing her romantic lead, and then she played his mother also. Can you believe it?
What were the conditions that you worked in before, and how have they changed now?
I always say that, as women, we were never considered important enough to even bother about washrooms. It was like almost we had to kind of go to the loo behind chadars, like 4 women would go together and chunni pakadte the, and I remember Madhuri Dixit had told me this the first time when we met, during Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, we were shooting in Ooty. And she told me, one of the first things that she told me was that, listen, chadar ke piche jayenge, dupatte ke piche jayenge, karenge, that's all very well. But drink water, because normally what used to happen was none of us used to drink water so that we could just avoid going to the loo. The loos were so bad, or they were unisex. So I mean, who would want to go to a dirty?
Who would? Yeah.
And otherwise they were non-existent. So I think now that is not the case now. Like everything is taken care of, not just for women but men also. But हमारी society में ना, men, it's not as difficult to go to the loo in the open
We
as
know
compared
that.
to women. I mean, come on. But now everything, I think, is taken care of. I think everybody is very respectful of the needs of women. So even the talk around menstruation, premenstrual tension, everything is like, at least there's an awareness about all of these things.
So I'll just throw some like what would Renuka say? Okay.
Oh, okay.
So yeah,
I hope I'm not tongue-tied now.
I don't think you will be. So to misogynistic people,
learn well. Get a life.
Yeah. To mothers and daughters,
enjoy the precious relationship that you have.
To our Indian society,
be more inclusive and respectful of everybody's aspirations and everybody's choices.
Thank you so much, Renuka ma'am. It has been an honor and a pleasure having get to talk to you.
Thank you very much. It was great fun.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks,
Neha. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.